Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how I take this Appleton rum and make a very delicious barbecue pig nose. Guys, just look how soft and succulent this is. Just look at it. So right here I have roughly about 2 pounds of pig nose, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add half teaspoon of salt. Also gonna add half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Now for my jerk seasoning, I'm using the Cool Runnings jerk seasoning, and I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of Cool Running jerk seasoning. Also gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and guys, if you have the darker soy sauce, you don't have to use 2 tablespoons, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and rub my season all into my pig nose, and I'm just gonna leave it to sit for about half an hour before I start the baking process. So after marinating for half an hour, I'm now placing them in my baking pan, and I'm just gonna add the remaining season, right? As you can see, I'm pouring it all over my pig nose. And with my stove on 400 Fahrenheit, I'm now gonna go ahead and place my pig nose in the oven, and I'm just gonna allow it to sit and bake for about 2 hours. Alright, so for my sauce guys, I'm now going in with 1 tablespoon of Cool Running jerk seasoning, also 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half cut freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of honey, also for the star of the show guys, I'm going in with 1/4 cup of Appleton rum. Wow guys, this is gonna be amazing, trust me. And guys, you can actually use this sauce on anything you want, right? You can use it on chicken, beef, pork, anything, trust me. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and flip my pig nose to the opposite side, right? I'm gonna do underneath first. So I'm just taking a brush and applying my sauce all over my pig nose. Guys, trust me, this smells so good, so delicious, right? And you can see how soft it is. Just look at it. When I use the brush and touch it, you can see it's shaking, right? Like a jelly. Very soft, very gummy. Alright, so you just have to make sure that you apply the sauce all over. You don't want to miss any spots. Just get in those nostrils, right? Nice. Alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place my pig nose back in the oven for 10 minutes just to allow the sauce to seal properly onto the pig nose. Now, here I have the finishing product of my Appleton jerk barbecue pig nose. Oh, look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow, nice. Alright guys, so you can just go ahead and serve this with any sides you choose, right? But for me, I'm definitely gonna have mine with some rice and peas, right? Let's look at it. Let's look how soft and gummy this is. And guys, I actually get a piece of the nostril. Wow, this tastes so good, right? All right, you have a piece more of the nostril. So gummy, so juicy. Wow. All right, my friends, if you happen to reach the end of the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Boom.